Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. It's a brown girl Bella bringing you BELLAmas day number 7. And this is a special day for me. If you've been around Brown Girl Bella for any length of time, you know that this season is particularly hard for me for many reasons, but one in particular I wanted to share with you today is that 2 years ago on December 7th, I lost my beloved Maltese dog, Bklyn Princess. And she meant the world to me. It's the first dog that I've had from baby, infancy through adulthood. So she means a lot to me. She was always on the videos, you know, doing her thing, either twinkling her collar or trying to get me to lift her up so she can say hey to you guys. Sometimes she'd give you a smile. Sometimes she'd give you a little smirk. But she was always very lively, very loving, and I miss her dearly. Her little sis, Dream, is here, and I love her too. And she's now the second baby that I've had from infancy. So she means a lot to me as well, but you never forget your first one, right, ladies? And for me, Bklyn was the first one, the first adult dog that I've had where I did everything from soup to nuts. So we share a special place in each other's lives. I want to say thank you for 14 of the most amazing years ever. It was a pleasure to have you as my fur baby. I know you're up in heaven now, and you are playing with the other dogs. You are holding down our baby girl. You're loving on your great grandmas and grandpas. And if I know anything, my grandmother's probably trying to, teach you something. But you mean the world to me. You will always mean the world to me. And you never forget your first one. And for me, Bklyn Princess, you were my first one. I love you. Until we see each other again, this one's for you, baby. Brown Girl Bella.